My name is Gala, and in this video I'm going to show you how we can fold napkin in flower shape for wine glasses. Each corner of napkin I fold towards the center and repeat it 3 times. Now I need gently turn around the square and fold 1 time more corners towards the center. I flip it over and place on the top of glass. I use dinner knife to hold napkin in the place. Make sure first row of petals you fold out in the half. If you want to use for this technique silky napkin, it needs to be slightly starched. Final step is so easy, just unfold inside 2 rows of petals. Lotus napkin flower, so pretty for formal events. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please subscribe so you don't miss my new videos.